At North Carolina A&T State University, innovation guides us. The College of Education uses Apple technology to redefine how tomorrow's education professionals are trained.
In our Department of Educator Preparation, our coursework is fully embedded with our laboratory school. Work here in Proctor Hall, practicing those skills over in our laboratory school.
At the heart of this innovation is Aggie Academy, where hands-on learning, creativity, and technology converge.
Aggie Academy is the perfect example of university expertise meeting classroom excellence. We use Apple technology in which practice meets theory.
In our educator preparation program, we use practice-based teacher education to get our elementary education majors ready for the teaching workforce. Our education majors get the opportunity to see models of best practices. In our model classroom, we have an iPad cart. And our teacher candidates use this to practice apps that they're going to use in the elementary classroom every day. For each lesson that I teach them, I show them how to use the different apps for the different areas of literacy. And for each one of those areas, I show the teacher candidates how to use the apps to best teach children.
Using the iPads is helping them. Using things like Keynote and me talking and the separation between the two is impacting the students in a positive way.
Apple technology is embedded in every learning experience. Ideas come alive, and novel solutions impact our world.
A key component of our vision is really elevating our STEAM lab.
Especially with community events, being able to integrate the technology into the activities. When parents and children come, there are enough iPads for them to engage with.
Our faculty and our students are utilizing Apple technology across all of our programs, both undergraduate and graduate.
Apple technology has really allowed us to open up the students to a new world of disability, so they're able to actually see in real time how the things that they can use Apple technology to create can help support their clients.
This technology enables us to teach and train in new and different ways, and so we are moving where the profession is also moving, and Apple is helping to make that possible.
I utilize Apple technology to build an observational tool app for my instructional leadership course. The app will allow them to have instant feedback.
Our impact extends beyond our classrooms. We prepare the next generation of educators, counselors, school leaders, and higher education professionals who influence learning environments across North Carolina and beyond. We are reimagining what education, leadership, and counseling can look like in the 21st century.
The future of education is here.